Thank you for tuning in today for another informative video on Mike Masters Presents. In today's video, we will be going back to Vista Cana to look at yet another project that has been under construction already, but they still have a few lots available. And I have not had a chance to cover this project before, so today I will be sharing it with you. Many of you are already familiar with Vista Cana because maybe you heard so much about it, maybe you've been there, or maybe you're one of the fortunate ones who have invested in there. Or maybe you know about it through my channel and the 40+ videos I have done about Vista Cana and its projects. And let me just take advantage of this moment to ask you for your support. If you've seen my videos and liked them, please click on the thumbs up icon so the algorithm can push my content to more people and move up in ranking. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so now so you never miss any of my content when it's released. But also hit the bell icon and choose all so you automatically get notified when new videos are published. This means a great deal to me. As I have said in many videos, Vista Cana is about 18 minutes from the Punta Cana International Airport, depending on traffic and road conditions. Once you enter Vista Cana and with the proper credentials be allowed entry by security, you would need to go all the way in past many of the projects until you get to Sabana Equestrian and Residences. Once there, you will need to make a left and you will see another security station. After showing the proper credentials again and get cleared by security, you will be entering Paseo Del Sendero. There are multiple projects in this section, but today we will be talking about Bliss Trails, a project of 1 and 2 level villas situated directly across the street from another popular project called Pueblito Caribeño. Presented before you is the master plan displaying the various available lots. For today's presentation, we will be focusing on the section on the right side of your screen. The second half on the left will become accessible at a later date. And here is the master plan where you can see which lots are available. On the right of your screen, you see a whole section sold out already. And the red dots in the middle section indicate lots sold as well. So the numbered lots you see are the ones currently available. With that in mind, let's proceed to explore the 2 available models. First up, we have the 1-level villa called Yellow Bougainvillea. This name is derived from a plant called Bougainvillea, native to South America, where the climate is warm. And it comes in different colors like yellow, orange, purple, and more. Yellow Bougainvillea will measure approximately 1,421 square feet of living space on a lot measuring approximately 4,306 square feet. This model comes with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. The master bedroom will have its own private bathroom and walk-in closet. There's also a kitchen with breakfast bar, living and dining areas, laundry room, a yard out back, and parking for 2 vehicles. You have the option of adding a service room with a bathroom and a jacuzzi, but these will come at an additional cost. The price for this 1-level villa is $250,000. Next, we have the 2-level villa called Orange Bougainvillea. This model will measure approximately 2,153 square feet of living space. Lot sizes vary for this model and range between approximately 4,306 square feet and 6,789 square feet, with other sizes in between. The first level of this villa comes with a kitchen with breakfast bar, living and dining areas, a laundry room, a service room with a bathroom, a study area by the living room, a yard, and parking for 2 vehicles. On the second level, you will have 3 bedrooms, each with their own private bathrooms. The master bedroom will have a walk-in closet. There's also an area that can be used as an office, family room, or whatever suits you. You have the option of adding a smaller room with a bathroom on the first floor, as well as balconies for all 3 bedrooms upstairs. And these 2 will come at an additional cost. The price for this 2-level villa starts at $375,000. Here are a few artist renderings of Bliss Trails. Let's go over the payment plan. Reserve with $2,000 US. Pay 10% down with signed agreement to purchase. Pay 30% during construction. The 60% balance is to be paid upon delivery. You can choose to pay it in full or you can acquire financing. The estimated delivery dates are July 2024, December 2024, and May 2025, depending on the lot you choose. Let's not forget that this project is in Vista Cana, which means you also get to enjoy the amenities Vista Cana offers, like 2 man-made beaches, fishing lake, clubhouse, eco trail, sports zone, shopping centers, business center, and more. If Bliss Trails is the type of investment you are interested in, shoot me an email to info@mikemasterspresents.com or mikemasterspresents@gmail.com. You can also text me or call me direct if within the US or via WhatsApp if outside of the US to 484-944-1621. To block a unit, you would need to send me a copy of your passport and front and back of your driver's license. If you have a Dominican cedula, that'll work as well. You will have until the next day to make your reserve payment once a lot is blocked for you. Well, that's all I have for today. If you appreciate the work I do and genuinely enjoy my videos, please contribute to the growth of my channel by giving it a solid like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Hit the notification bell and make sure you choose the all option. When you do, anytime I upload a new content, you receive a friendly reminder. This way, you never miss a video. And please spread the word by sharing it with others. The best part about this is that it is free for you to do this. But you will be a great contributor to my channel's growth. And in advance, let me say thank you. And if you have not done so yet, visit my webpage, mikemasterspresents.com, and follow me on Instagram at mikemasterspresents. I appreciate all your support. Until next time, have a great day.